Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So, my name is Jackie. If you're just seeing me for the first time, and on this channel, I share content to help you run a successful YouTube channel and other side hustles you can do online. So, if you're interested in making money online, then this is the channel for you, right? This is my second YouTube channel. My first YouTube channel is Jackie Travels. I started that channel back in July and I was monetized in 6 weeks from posting my first video. And I have made thousands of dollars from my YouTube business on Jackie Travels. And that is why I started this channel so I can teach others how to do it. So in today's video, I want to talk about how you can get video ideas, how you can come up with video ideas, topics to create for your channel, right? So I just want to show you how to do that because I know sometimes you could get like, you could have this block, creator's block, and not know what kinds of topics to create for your viewers. So I want to show you a strategy on how to make videos that people actually want to watch. As a creator, when you do a video, you post it on YouTube. I'm sure you want that video to be watched by as many people as possible. I don't know if there's anyone that will create a video, post it on YouTube, and be praying, oh God, let only 5 people see this video. Let it be only visible to 10 people. I don't want many people to see it. I don't know if there's any such person, right? So I want to show you how you can actually create videos that people are going to watch, videos that are going to go viral, topics that people are interested in, and things like that. I'm just going to show you this little secret on how to get those topic ideas. Sometimes you could have a very wonderful idea in your head, but you're the only one interested in that topic. Your viewers may not be so excited about it. So the strategy I'm about to show you is a sure way to get views for your channel. So speaking about creating videos that people are going to watch, I want to read a verse from the Bible. You all know I'm a Christian and the Bible guides my life. So I always have a Bible verse for everything. So this is from Luke chapter 8 and verse 16. And I'm going to be reading from NIV. No one lights a lamp and hides it in a clay jar or puts it under a bed. Instead, they put it on a stand so that those who come in can see the light. No one lights a lamp and hides it under the bed. Just like you don't create videos and pray that nobody sees it. You create videos and want it to go viral. You want as many people as possible to see that video, right? So you want to create videos around the topics people are really interested in and are going to watch, right? So let me show you my strategy. One way I get video ideas that people are interested in, right? So what you're going to do is every niche that you are in, I'm hoping that there are already bigger creators, older creators that have been on this space for longer than you in that niche, right? So you can look for these people. I've talked about this in previous videos I did, how you need to look at people that are successful, doing the kinds of topic that you are doing, and then look at what they are doing and get inspired by them, right? So I'm going to talk about a food channel. Y'all know I love food and I love talking about food channels. So I'm going to use a demo for a food channel. Like, let's say I have a food channel, right? And I want to get video ideas for my food channel. What do? I look for 3 top food channels on YouTube, big creators, people that have a lot of views, have a lot of subscribers, have been on the space longer than I have been. And I look at the kinds of videos they are doing, right? So I've picked 3 of my favorite food channels here on YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you how to get video ideas from them. So let me show you. So the first channel is Delicious Foods. This is one channel that I love so much. She's a creator in Nigeria and she has 797,000 subscribers. And let's look at the views that she has on her channel, like the total number of views. She has 44 million views. That is so amazing. So how you're going to do this is you're going to look at the most watched videos on this channel. So let's go to videos and then click on popular. When you click on popular, you're going to be seeing the most watched videos on that channel, like the most popular videos on the channel in descending order. So the first video is the video that has gotten the most views on her channel, and it has 5.3 million views. 5.3 million views. I mean, that is amazing. So let's look at the topic of this video: homemade pizza recipe, 3 easy ways, gas cooker method and oven method. Homemade pizza recipes. I think this is really amazing. So people are looking for how to make pizza themselves in their house, and she shows you how to make it with a gas cooker and how to make it with an oven. So if you're a creator in the food niche, how can you create a video around this topic? It may not be pizza, it may be something else that is very popular with your audience. Maybe something like pancake, akara, puff puff, whatever it is that is really popular with your audience. You can do homemade recipes, easy ways, they can make this for themselves at home. And her second most watched video has 1.9 million views, and it is how to make the perfect party jollof rice. Party jollof rice, holiday inspired. So you can see this jollof rice is like the most popular dish in Nigeria. Like, everyone loves the party jollof rice. So she has made a video on how to make the perfect party jollof rice. I think that is a very good video idea. You can totally do this if jollof rice is a meal eaten, among your audience, or you think of another kind of food you can replace, for this. That's a very good video idea. Okay, and the number 3 video on her channel, it has 1.7 million views, and it is how to make vegetable fried rice recipe. So what you can see from these 3 videos is that they are recipes, right? How to make stuff. And even if you see the title, something you can notice from even the titles, it's the how to kind of title. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. People come to YouTube to find answers to their questions, find solutions to their problems. So people are going to search for how to do this, how to make jollof rice, how to make fried rice, how to make pizza. And if you have titles that are how to solve a problem, you're definitely going to get views on your videos, right? So we've gotten 3 video ideas from these creators. So we're going to go over to another top creator in the food business, right? So let's look at Joshua Wiseman. I totally love his channel. He has 7.18 million subscribers, and let's take a look at his views, the total views he has on his channel right now. That's 967 million views. That is amazing. Okay, so let's go to his most watched videos, his popular videos, to get video ideas. So just like we did with Delicious Foods, we are going to be picking the top 3 videos on his channel. And what he has here is making the Popeyes chicken sandwich at home, but better. I love this title. He titles his videos so good. So again, this is another recipe how you can make something at home. So that's to let you know that people watching YouTube are looking for how to make these foods at home. They're looking for how to do these things at home, right? So this video has 12 million views. That's amazing. And the second video he has on the popular list is how to make the best hot chocolate of all time. And he puts in brackets 4 ways. I mean, the way he titles his videos, I just really love them. How to make the best hot chocolate of all time. So that's a video idea for you. So for your audience, it could be something else. It could be smoothies, it could be juice, it could be Zobo, whatever drink is popular for your audience, you can do something around that. And the next video he has here, the third most popular video, has 9.4 million views. How to make proper croissant completely by hand. I mean, this man really knows how to create titles. I'm going to make a video on, how to title your videos. It's all coming. I'm going to make videos on everything, how to make thumbnails, how to, everything. Just, as we go, I'm going to be making videos for everything you need for your YouTube channel. Okay, so right now we have 6 video ideas, right? And what's consistent in all these topics we've seen is that they are all about how to solve a problem, right? They are all searchable topics, searchable topics, right? So I've talked about doing searchable videos in my previous videos. It's very important you watch my old videos. I have a playlist on everything YouTube business. So everything that has to do with your YouTube channel, you can check out the playlist. It's going to be up here and in the description box below. So you can watch those videos so you can see everything I've talked about on how to run a YouTube channel. All right, so let's look at the third creator to see, to get more video ideas. I want us to have 9 video ideas at the end of this. So let's get 3 more ideas from another creator. This channel is Recipes by Karina, and she has 741,000 subscribers right now. And her views is 108 million views. That's amazing. Okay, so let's look at her popular videos to get ideas. So the first one here is buttercream icing recipe, how to make perfect buttercream frosting. So again, we have the how to, again, we have the recipe, how to do something, and it's a recipe and how you can do it yourself. And the second topic she has here is how to make pancakes, fluffy pancake recipe. I mean, that's a very good way to title a video. And the third one here is how to make bath bombs, DIY, that is do it yourself, bath bombs recipe. So if you have a food channel, good for you. You can just adopt these 9, video ideas to make videos for your channel. So regardless of which niche you are, just look for 3 or more. I just did 3 because obviously I can't do so much in this video, but you can choose like 10, and look at their videos, look at the popular videos, see what people are watching in your niche. Because remember, no one lights a candle and puts it under the bed. They put it on a stand so anyone coming into the room can see it. So it's like that with your YouTube channel. You don't create your videos for people not to see it. You create your videos for people to watch. The more people that watch, the better, right? So create videos around the topics that your audience wants to watch. And these 9 topics we've looked at are topics viewers in this niche want to watch. I mean, they watch, millions of people have watched this video. So that is proof, right, that it's what people want to watch. So take up these ideas and see how you can adopt it to your own audience. If your audience are not into croissants or pancakes or pizza, do it around the kinds of things that are popular among your audience, right? So I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and give the video a like, to just support the channel. Let me know that you appreciate, the work that I do here, and also subscribe to the channel as a way of supporting me as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.